Nosotros en la Amazonía lo que hacemos es defender nuestros
What we
territorios
do in Amazon is defend everything what we have, the
Y-
plants, animals, and everything that we have there.
y conocemos que es el pulmón del mundo,
And we know it's the lungs of the world.
en la cual queremos seguir protegiendo,
We want to protect everything that we have there in Amazon.
dejar nuestro legado.
Leave our legacy.
Por eso nosotros día a día ha sido la resistencia nuestra
That's why we're resistant of
en,
the-
en contra de las empresas extractivas,
against, those bigger companies who come and, take away everything we have,
petroleras,
oil,
que sacan nuestra sangre de esta sagrada tierra.
they take all the blood of our holy lands.
Y nosotros como indígenas y nuestra sagrada tierra en estos momentos llora.
Our land are crying right now because we are owners of that. And we're indigenous of the lands.
Llora porque están destruyendo.
They're crying because they're destroying our land.
Oh, muchísimas gracias.
Este es el viaje, y este es el que yo creo todavía parece que está vivo, y que no, en un momento está ahí,
This is incredible, this beautiful gift that he brought directly from the Amazon with them to bring here to TOSA Blue Mountain as we begin the biological studies. We're going to be bringing in a science lab, getting the medicinal values of these plants and starting to really help the world understand what they're doing. And they have more to share. So let's receive. This is pure cacao. And what Darwin was suggesting was that we take one and everybody have a little piece. So we will do that. And she says,
de ese COVID-19 me comencé a trabajar.
She said she started working since COVID. It'll be more harder in this kind of oil. It's for the plant.
first and foremost, look at her beautiful dress.
Yeah.
I want you to really, I don't know if we need to turn the camera or not, but if you look at her beautiful dress, she made this herself. She hand painted this. She is a beautiful, beautiful abuela from a different tribe than from a different community than their community, who it took her 4 extra hours in her canoe to come to them.
Yeah.
This oil that she has been working on since 1975, she has perfected, and it's a short little, it's una palma de montaña. It's una palma de montaña, and they have so many others, but what I will share with you is that those of you who are here, when you touch this, it's like water. It's so soft, and and everything she's worked with. So this is yet another blessing, and we are so grateful. And thank you. Muchísimas gracias. Muchísimas gracias.